Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Heavy Lies the Hype. This video is entitled Supreme Spring, Summer, and Fall Winter 20 Hat Collection Part 1. Before anything, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Let's get it. First hat we got is this Supreme snakeskin print with the black box logo right in the front, guys. You can see the snake print all around the hat. This snake print also goes around the bottom of the hat, but not inside the cap. You can see in the back you have the Supreme lock adjustable strap. You know it's real with the Supreme embossed right in the back of the strap, and that is the snakeskin print. Let's look inside. There we have the Supreme tag that says USA Supreme, and that is the first hat. The second hat we got this thick box logo here. That's a fat thick patch on the hat. I got it in the olive colorway. It's very light olive. It's a camp hat. You can see in the back of the Supreme hat there's coordinates. I believe that's probably for the Supreme New York store out in New York. I don't know. If you want, you guys could Google it and leave it in the comments. Let me know. Here we have the tag in the back, and there we have the camp hat, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, this is the Wash Chino 12 cap. This dropped in week 1. I managed to pick up the yellow colorway. There was a bunch of different colors. You guys can see the big black box logo in the front of the cap. Even inside the cap you still get the Burberry print. At the back you have this leather strap with the Supreme embossed at the end of the strap. Super clean, super nice. There's the tag, show you that it's real. And that's the cap, guys. Next we're moving on to this TN hat, TN Air Nike Supreme hat. You can see on the side it says Supreme. It looks like a flame kind of design in this pinkish red color, and the back, in the background you can see it's black. The hat is black and pinkish reddish. You see at the back of the hat you have that yellow Nike check mark. We have the Supreme strap with the Nike check mark on the strap right there on the clip. This hat fits super nice, guys. It hugs your head nice. And that is the Supreme TN Air hat, guys. You see the tags in the back. For any legit checkers out there, let me know if anybody on YouTube doing this for you guys. Legit checking everything. Even though I'm showing you guys the collection, I'm still legit checking. Don't forget to give this video a like, show your support, and thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed me showing you part 1 of this collection. Look out for part 2. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to enter my giveaway, guys. It's free, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Alright, peace.